This is the elastic hook from Alfatex. It is a woven hook. There is only one version of the elastic hook within the range, whereas with the loop there are two options. So there's the knitted loop, which has between 100 and 125% elasticity, and there is the woven elastic loop, which looks the same, but the backing is thicker and it has between a 10 and 25% elasticity. And this is the woven hook version of that loop. So this has the same stretch between 10 and 25%. So if you're looking for an elastic tape where both parts are the same, then you need to have both woven hook and woven elastic loop rather than the knitted loop. So this is an elastic hook. It is exactly the same really as conventional woven hooks, just rows and rows of hook, and the backing has the elasticity sort of woven into it. So this is, like we say, the woven elastic hook. The hooks are literally just as you would find on non-elastic standard hook. So it's the backing that has the elasticity woven into it.